For homeowners in Rowlett, Texas, every detail matters when it comes to creating a safe, efficient, and beautiful home. Your doors aren't just entry points. They're key elements that affect security, comfort, and curb appeal. Whether you're upgrading your front entry, installing new patio doors, or replacing worn-out interior ones, professional door installation can make all the difference in performance and longevity. While it may be tempting to treat door installation as a do-it-yourself project, the benefits of hiring skilled local experts far outweigh the risks of a poor fit or misalignment. Here's why professional door installation is one of the smartest investments you can make for your Rowlett home. Precise fit for better energy efficiency. Rowlett's climate brings hot summers, mild winters, and occasional strong winds, conditions that can strain your home's heating and cooling systems. A door that's improperly installed may leave small gaps or misalignments that let air escape, causing drafts and higher utility bills. Professional installers ensure your door fits perfectly within its frame, providing airtight sealing and superior insulation. This prevents unwanted air exchange between indoors and outdoors, helping your HVAC system maintain consistent temperatures. Many modern doors also feature energy-efficient materials and weather stripping, which professionals can install correctly for maximum benefit. With precise alignment and sealing, you'll enjoy lower energy costs and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Your doors are one of your home's first lines of defense. Improperly installed doors can compromise security by leaving gaps in hinges, locks, or frames. Professional installers understand how to position doors correctly, ensuring that all locking mechanisms are properly aligned and reinforced. Experts also know how to handle advanced features like smart locks, reinforced strike plates, and impact-resistant materials, which can be especially valuable in Rowlett's occasionally stormy weather. With professional installation, you gain not only a better fitting door but also peace of mind knowing your family and property are secure. Improved curb appeal and property value. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It's the first impression guests and potential buyers see. A poorly hung or outdated door can detract from your home's aesthetic, while a well-installed modern door can instantly elevate it. Professional installers ensure perfect alignment, balanced hinges, and smooth operation, giving your home a polished, high-quality look. Whether you choose an elegant wood door, a sleek steel model, or a decorative fiberglass design, a professional touch enhances both beauty and value. In a competitive real estate market like Rowlett, small details such as expertly installed doors can make your home stand out and increase its resale appeal. Long-term durability and performance. Doors endure constant use, exposure to weather, and frequent opening and closing. Over time, even minor installation errors can lead to warping, sticking, or uneven wear. Professional installers use precise measurements and proper tools to ensure your door's structural integrity and long-term functionality. They account for the door's weight, frame alignment, and material expansion due to Texas's fluctuating temperatures. This careful attention to detail prevents common problems and extends the lifespan of your door, saving you money on future repairs or replacements. Safety and compliance with local building standards. Installing a door involves more than attaching hinges. It requires understanding local building codes, energy standards, and manufacturer requirements. Professional installers in Rowlett are familiar with these guidelines, ensuring your door installation meets safety and efficiency regulations. This is especially important for entry, patio, or impact-rated doors, which must meet specific standards for wind and weather resistance in Texas. Proper installation ensures full warranty protection and compliance with insurance requirements, something DIY installations often overlook. Time, convenience, and professional finish. Let's face it, door installation can be time-consuming and complex. Measuring, leveling, insulating, and sealing require experience and precision. Professionals handle everything efficiently, from removing the old door to ensuring the new one opens smoothly and seals perfectly. This saves you time and eliminates frustration while guaranteeing a flawless result. With professional installation, you can enjoy your upgraded door immediately, without the worry of rework or adjustments later. Final thoughts for Rowlett homeowners: professional door installation offers far more than convenience. It's a lasting investment in your home's comfort, security, and beauty. From improved energy efficiency and durability to enhanced style and peace of mind, a properly installed door transforms how your home looks and performs. When you choose experienced local installers, you're ensuring every detail is handled with care, giving you confidence that your doors will perform beautifully for years to come. Your home deserves the perfect entrance, and professional installation makes it possible.